Eh. What is it, mommy? See who is learning to cook vegetable soup? Mommy girl. Is that mommy girl in the pot? It is that mommy girl. Let's put our last ingredient. You guys, although my hand is not steady, but look at this liquid gold. You guys, you know what this is called? This is called mangekwa. This is called mango. I stepped out to go and top up my car because I quickly saw that there's going to be fuel scarcity, blah blah blah. In fact, my husband even sent it to me. I quickly rushed to go and what they call it, fill up my tank, and I was so pissed off. The fuel attendant today was filling up my car. I was watching the tank. He was talking with another of his like fellow colleague, and the car started pouring, sorry, the fuel started pouring, and I was like, whoa, stop, and then he stopped. All he had to tell me was sorry. I was like, do you know how much fuel is? Like, you're attending to me, you're not even paying attention. Look at my fuel on the floor. This is like 1 liter of fuel that is like 600 and something naira. How can you do that? He said, mama sorry, mama sorry. I was so angry. Driving out, like, if I tell you to pay for it, will you pay for it? You will not pay for it. Only sorry you offer to give me. As I was driving out, you guys, I found this liquid gold. Look. I found this liquid gold, and guess what? One of this thing is 300. 300. One Lagos no go keep it. Like mango that you pluck from the tree. One is 300. And guys, what's up? You guys, we are packing to, you guys, Nigeria is hot. The weather is hot here in Nigeria. Hold on, let me set this my camera. I think this is a lot better, right? You guys, I said Nigeria is hot. It is freaking hot. But we are packing because we are going for the weekend at Uzo's house. Uzo's baby turned 1 year, but they were not in the country, and what they call it, so we are celebrating it this weekend. And of course, you guys, in fact, let me show you something. Just that mommy girl is not wearing any clothes. Goddy, wear her singlet. Let her enter my video because I want to show you guys Kaima's nostalgic hairstyle, and I don't want any of you to copy this hairstyle. If you copy it, there's going to be a problem between the both of us. There's gonna be a problem because this hairstyle is for Kaima alone. I want to put her in the video. I don't want to expose my baby, what they call. Mama, give it to me. I don't want to expose my baby with bare chests, you know. Kaima is a full-grown woman now. But either way is right. I was telling you guys, Nigeria is so hot. Mama, just wear your shirt now. Wear. And we're heading to Uzo's house. So I'm the one doing the decoration. It's actually going to be a parlor birthday, just like what I had. It's actually going to be a parlor birthday as well, right? But food, drinks, like there'll be side attraction for children as well. So I have to get there. And guess what? Tomorrow is actually Kaito's inter-house sports, so I have to actually be there. Mama, it's okay, baby. We'll just put it once and for all. You not even pamper this mama, eh? It's okay. Oh, sorry, mommy girl. You guys, Kaima just made her hair. In fact, I called a lady, Madam Peace, that came to the house, made my hair, made my girl's hair, and made Kaima's hair as well. But I use rubber thread for Kaima's hair. That's why I really want to show you guys. I don't know, you guys will definitely. Mama, it's okay, baby. Mommy girl. I use rubber thread for Kaima. That's why I want to really show you guys. Oh yeah, come. Mama, come and talk to them. They have been missing you so much. Oh, look at my symbiote. Jeez. I don't know if this lighting is the good one. No, hold on.
A few moments later.
Let's see this one. Not bad. Who's bad? They're not going anywhere. You guys, look at Kaima's hairstyle. Hey, who wants to try? Who wants to try our Isam? But I'm about to, what they call it, like arrange their stuff, put their stuff in a box, and we'll just be heading out because the weather is already even so hot. I wanted to leave Kaito, but Kaito is definitely going to miss Kaima. You know, I wanted to leave him with his daddy, but he's definitely going to miss Kaima. It's not even a two-way thing. They literally play from like morning till night, and after this is what they call it, midterm break for Kaito. So let me just, I'll carry him. As I was saying, I said tomorrow is his inter-house sport, so I'll carry the uniform he's supposed to wear. He's the prince in their blue house. Go blue house. Yes, baby. Okay. Oh, baby, you're going out. Okay, okay, love. So he's the prince in their blue house, and what they call it, like, you guys, they say we should look for a very fine blue outfit for him, but he's running, so he's going to wear his sportswear before he changes into what they call it. Myself and my husband, I'm going to be doing decoration this night for Dara's birthday. I'm not going to be doing it tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually the birthday, but I'm going to be doing it this night. Grandma is crying, she wants to follow her daddy. I'm going to be doing it this night, right? And then tomorrow in the morning, because his inter-sport starts for 10 o'clock, I have to be there. In fact, daddy will come to the house, like Uzo's house, Uzo and her husband's house, literally. But you guys get what I'm saying, sharp. My husband will come and we'll just take Kaito quickly and, you know, go for the inter-house sport before we actually, what they call it, like come back to the party. So yeah, but I want to make sure that everything is all settled this night. The decoration, everything that we need to do is all settled for this night. So yeah, let me just quickly pack these children boxes and then we'll be, peace out girls, we'll be heading out. So yeah, what do you have to say to them? Ask them, how are you? Say, how are you, mommy?
How are you?
You guys answered. They're supposed to say, they're supposed to say, I'm fine.
Okay.
Kaima, what is your name? Say Chikaima. Oh yeah, sing for them. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Gee, sing for them now. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Sing for them. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, God. You guys, let me just get to what I'm doing.
A few moments later.
You guys, however we made it here this night, I don't know, but it has been a day and we have not even started decoration and all. These children are just happy to actually reunite. Mama. Oh yeah, wait. You guys, let me look for Uzo for you. I'm just on the floor because Uzo got us some gifts and I'm just trying to. Here, come and show them your cap from Auntie Uzo. Hey guys. Oh yeah, come to stand up. Mama. Hey guys. Mama say hey guys. Mwah. Hey guys. Oh yeah, hold on. You guys, see my fine shoe.
Mommy, see our fine shoe.
Yes, my fine shoe. Leave it. You can't wait. Eh? You guys, see? Ooh, baby. Hi. Have you seen on my channel this year? No.
Oh, okay, bring it back.
Happy New Year!
Wow. Anyways, oh, sorry, I'm looking in the wrong direction. It makes me look like I have potato shop. Anyways, we're here preparing for Dara's big one. She's already won, but we had to just party. We went away for a birthday getaway, and now we're back. And it's time to party with our Nigerian folks because
Dara, we do it internationally.
International only. Anyways, happy New Year, guys. I hope you've had a good one. It's been almost 2 months since I'm trying to count the days, about 50 days plus, and that's like a long time to just not even come and say Happy New Year. So this is me saying Happy New Year. Happy New Year, guys. Much love. I'm going to go and continue mommy duties. All right, bye. Because we're inflating balloons. This is what they call confetti balloons, right? If you can see this. Putting it inside the transparent balloon, and then I'll put high float inside and then we inflate it. That's how transparent balloons work.